Hey, what's up, guys? Hope everybody's doing well and having a great day. Starting off here at fireweatheravalanche.org, looking at the current wildfire situation in the United States only on this map. This map does not include Canada or Mexico. But right now on this map, it shows 759 active wildfires in the United States alone. You can see several up here throughout Alaska, several over here in the western United States. I want to focus on Northern California. There's a large wildfire underway called the Mckinney Fire. It's in Northern California. But as you can see over here at zoom.earth, there's wildfire smoke coming out of British Columbia, Canada. There's wildfire smoke in Montana, Washington, south of Spokane, and southeast of Seattle in Yakima, or in the Yakima area. You can also see wildfire smoke in Oregon, very large plume there. And there's also smaller wildfires below the larger one there in the central part of western Oregon. But coming down here to Northern California, there's a large wildfire that's consumed now just over 59,000 acres and climbing as it's still underway. You're looking at the Mckinney Wildfire, this red area you see right here. This is 59,000 acres that it's consumed so far, and right now it's only 10% contained. The total personnel that have been assigned to this particular wildfire is 2,404. Unbelievable. There's the acreage, 59,636, and so far it's 10% contained. And here's the location on Google Earth, right in this area here. You can see it's a mountainous region. It's tough to get vehicles up there like fire trucks and personnel to get up here and manage these fires. So they try to build a perimeter around these wildfires and contain them once they get going, because it is challenging to get up here in these mountains with hoses and things like that. They depend a lot on helicopters and airplanes to try to manage these large wildfires. And this one here, being 10% contained, it's probably going to go on for a little while because they've got 90% to go to get this thing fully contained. But right now it's at 59,000 acres. And then there's the Yeti and Alex fires over here west of the Mckinney Fire. And that one's considerably smaller. It's about 10,000 acres. This one here being nearly 60,000 acres. And there's the location again. Both those areas are mountainous, rugged regions that are very difficult and quite challenging when it comes to fighting wildfires. And here's an article from NBCnews.com, shows a photo from the Mckinney Fire. And unfortunately, there have been homes that have been consumed by the wildfires, 59,000 acres and counting. Once again, this wildfire in Northern California is 10% contained, and we've got several other wildfires going on too up here in the Pacific Northwest. It's a very active season so far, and it looks like we're just getting started. I want to take you guys now over to the USGS website. We're looking at an earthquake swarm right now at the top of the world's tallest volcano. Mauna Loa is looking at an earthquake swarm at 13,766 feet, right in the caldera of the world's tallest volcano at 4,196 meters. And Mauna Loa sits on the big island of Hawaii. There's been a long duration swarm over here at the Kilauea volcano, and this swarm here just began a few days ago. Been very active in the last 7 days. As you can see, there's a wide array of earthquakes, and they're very shallow quakes, some of these being right at the surface, once again, of the world's tallest volcano. I want to take you guys there right now. We're going to go to Mauna Loa on the big island of Hawaii, and here we go. And this is where the earthquake swarm is occurring, right here at 13,700 feet, top of the world's tallest volcano on the big island of Hawaii. And again, there's been an ongoing swarm for many months over here at the Kilauea volcano, which sits right here. And here's Mauna Loa, just a massive volcano. And right there is where the swarm is currently underway. I'm not exactly sure how many earthquakes that have occurred there, but you can see there's several on this map, and they have been ongoing today, August 5th. There's been several small earthquakes up here at the top of Mauna Loa. Once again, the world's tallest volcano. And there's an observatory up here, an excellent observatory. That's one of the best seats in the house for viewing the nighttime skies atop of the Mauna Loa volcano. But once again, there is an active swarm at 13,700 766 feet. Coming over here to the website, today's feature photo was sent in by Tim out of Wooster, Ohio, of some very photogenic mammatus clouds above Wooster, Ohio. Quick look at the Schumann resonance since we're here at the homepage of the website, and you can see the 24-hour cycle is continuing. Today, August 5th, it's there, and it's even stronger. You can see there was a series of strong spikes in this 11-hour window where that background noise has been showing up now for the better part of 3 weeks, and now we're seeing a stronger signature showing up in the Schumann resonance. Right now, the origins of that energy are unknown. Coming over here to poweroutage.us, this is the power outage situation right now as I do this video. 11,000 customers in Texas, looking at 21,000 in Virginia, 20,000 in Maryland, and 11,600 in Michigan. And all these power outages you see right here are due to inclement weather. Coming over here to the Lake Mead water database, a positive change today. We're looking at green instead of red. The Lake Mead reservoir went up in elevation instead of down. And the reason for that positive change is because the outflow was less than half of the inflow. For some reason, the outflow was minimized to 7,730, and the inflow was at 15,154, which resulted in a positive change. So Lake Mead actually went up yesterday instead of down. Also in this video, I've got a brand new picture slideshow, new sky phenomena photos sent in from all around the world. First segment's a little video clip by Denise C. of something going through the nighttime sky, not sure of the location, some sort of a solid white orb. And this next segment's also a video sent in by Daniel of some incredible orange and pink skies that ended up with a rainbow embedded in between the orange and purple. Kelly S. out of Texas, another purple sky. This is unedited, exactly the way I received it. Kim M. out of Des Moines, Iowa, purple rainbow. This is also unedited, exactly the way I received it from Kim out of Des Moines, Iowa. Cray Cray out of East Washington, tall double-decker rainbow, very intense rainbow. Photo here by Kim out of Fort Dodge, Iowa. Photo taken by Lawrence of one incredibly photogenic shelf cloud. These were some storms that went through the area about 2 weeks ago. Great job, guys. Keep the photos coming. If you have any photos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports@MrMBB333.com. Thanks for watching. Have a super day, and be safe out there.